Okay. Ngayon, mag-solve tayo ng problem ng shooting method for ODE or ordinary differential equation. Ito yung question is d squared y over dx squared minus 2y is equal to 6x times 9 minus x, where y sub 0 is equal to 0 and y sub 3 is equal to 1224. Find the exact value of y2. So, ito yung mga papilian niya. Choices. Okay, another question is, ito. Ang hanapin naman dito is yung exact value ng y sub 1. So, ito rin yung papilian niya. Hello? Ngayon po is, try natin i-solve yung shooting method for ODE. Try natin mag-solve ng isang example. Ano ng mga example? Okay. Example natin ng una is ito na lang. D squared y over dx squared minus 2y is equal to 6x times 9 minus x. So, yan. Ngayon naman is, alam naman natin diba na ang gagamitin natin siya ng Euler's method na meron siyang size or h natin is equals to 3. So, ganito magiging itsura niya. So, y sub 0 natin mo na lang x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 6, x is equal to 9. Ayan. Then, kukuha tayo ng y prime natin times 0 is equal to 4, and yung y sub 0 natin is equal to 0. So, ganyan na siya. Okay. So, mangyayari nito, yung dy over dx naman, di ba alam natin yan na is equal to yan sa z, o ito is y prime. Ang magiging itsura naman ito is ganito na siya. Dy over dx is equal to z, di ba z siya? Equal din siya sa f1 times x, y, dy over dx times natin yung height niya. Sorry. Di pala. Na meron pala siyang function ng y is equal to 0. Ito yung para sa number 1 natin na equation. Yung dz naman over dx is equal siya sa 2y plus 6x times 9 minus x. Kaya siya. O equal din siya sa f of 2 times x, y, and z, where y's prime is sub 0 is equal to 4. So, para makuha natin yung mga value ng y, z, at x, ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito yung para sa number 1. Ayusin natin na. Itong 1 natin is ganito magiging sura. yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus f of 1 times x i, yi, zi times h, yung height niya. Ganito rin sa pangalawa. Zi plus 1 is equal to zi plus function ng 2 times xi comma, yi, comma, zi times h. Okay, ngayon naman gagawa naman tayo ng susunod natin siya, gagamitin natin ito siya na yung I natin is equal to 0. So ito na mangyari niyan. Y1 is equal to y sub 0 plus function ng 1 times x, comma y, comma z times yung height niya. So y1 is equal to y sub 0 natin is 0 plus function ng 1, x natin is 0, y natin is 0, and yung z natin is 4. Sabi nga siya dito, di ba? Ang height natin is 3, and ang z natin is 4, y natin is equal to 0. So, maging yan. Times natin yung height natin na 3. So, y sub 1 is equal to, function ng z dito is 4, di ba? So, 4 times 3 is equals to y sub 1 is equals to 12. Pagdating naman dito sa z1 is equal to z sub 0 plus function ng 2 x, comma y, comma z times h. Pero pag function ng 2 is ito ang gagamitin natin, di ba? Z sub 0 plus 2y plus 6 x times 9 minus x times yung height natin na 3. Yan. So, ang mangyari, yung z sub 0 natin is 4. Yun dito yan. Plus, yung y natin is 0. Plus 6. Yung x natin is 0 din. Times natin ng 1. Ng 9 minus x na 0. Times 3 is, 2 is equal to 0 yan siya. So, ang magiging z natin, z1 is equal to 4. So, may nakuha na tayong y1 is equal to 12, z1 is equal to 4, at yung x natin is equal to 3. Okay, dito naman is gagamitin natin yung I natin is equal to 1 na. So, yung meron tayong value kayo na x sub 1 natin is 3, y sub 1 natin is nakuha natin kayo na is 12, and z natin sub 1 equals to 4. So, gagamitin natin ngayon is yung y sub 2 para makuha natin. Ang formula is y sub 1 plus function ng 1 times yung x, comma, x sub 1, comma, y sub 1, comma, z sub 1 times yung height. Yung height na natin is 3. So, y sub 2 is equal to y sub 1 natin na 12 plus function ng 1 times yung x sub 1 natin is 3, comma, 12, comma, 4, height natin 3. So, y sub 2 is equal to 12 plus function natin is 4 lang. So, 4 times 3. Y sub 2 is equal to 12 plus 12. Y sub 2 natin is equal to 24. Then, yung sa z naman, z sub 2 is equal to z sub 1 plus function ng 2 times x sub 1, comma, x sub I yan. Tapos, y sub I, comma, z sub I. Tapos, height niya. Tapos, magiging tsura nito is z sub 1 natin is 4 plus yung function ng 2. Tapos yung z sub 1 natin is 3, 12, 4 times 3. So, magiging ito yung itsura niya. 4 plus 2y plus 6x times 9 minus x times 3. So, maging z2 natin is equal to 4 plus 2 times y natin is 12 plus 6 times yung x natin is 3 times 9 minus 3. So z2 is equal to 4 plus, ano ba to? So z2 natin is equal to 4 plus 396. So z2 natin is equal to 400. So yung x sub 2 natin, gagamit natin 6, di ba? So x sub, ang y sub 2 natin is 24, and yung z2 natin is equal to 400. Okay, ngayon, sa I naman natin is equal to 2. So, y sub 2 natin kanina is 24. X sub 2 natin is 6. And yung z sub 2 natin nun is, di ba, 400. Ang height natin is 3. So, y sub 2 is equal to y sub 3 is equal to y sub 2 plus function ng 1 x sub 2 comma y sub 2 comma z sub 2 times height. So y sub 3 is equal to y sub 2 natin is 24 plus function ng 1 x sub 2 natin is 6 comma yung 24 comma 400 times 3. So z ang kailangan natin dito. So y sub 3 is equal to 24 plus 400 times 3. So y sub 3 is equal to 24 plus 1,200. Y sub 3 is equals to 1,224. Ito naman sa z sub 3 is equals to z sub 2 plus function ng 2 x sub 2 comma y sub 2 comma z2 h. So yung z3 natin is equal to z2 natin is 400 plus function ng 2 6 comma 24 comma 400 times 3. So z3 is equal to 400 plus 2 times yung y sub 2 natin is 24 plus ito para malinaw. Okay, ito muna. 2y plus 6x times 9 minus x times 3. So z3 is equal to 400 times 2, y natin is 24 plus yung 6, yung x natin is 6 times yung 9 minus 6 times 3. So z3 is equal to 400, plus ito plus 400 z3 yan. So 400, ang sagot dito is, ano ba sagot niyan? 2 times 24 plus 6 times 9 minus 6, 156 times 3. So dito natin is 400 plus 468. So z3 natin is equal to 868. So yung x sub 3 natin is 9. Y sub 3 natin is 1,224, and yung Z3 natin is equal to 868. Ito yung sagot.